Welcome, everyone. We're the Mystical Mandolins. I'm Alisha.
I'm Archie.
I'm James.
I'm Gabriela.
Our AI product is called Gen-ZifAI. It's designed to bridge the communication gap between different generations by converting normal text into trendy Gen Z slang. This innovative tool opens up a whole new way of interacting with younger audiences and understanding online content. Whether you're a business trying to connect with the younger generation, a parent trying to relate to your kids' online conversations, or simply someone who wants to stay updated with the latest slang and trends, Gen-ZifAI is here to help. Let's watch this video.
Are you constantly confused by what Gen Z is saying all the time?
Wait, I think the audio cut out.
Oh, did the audio cut out? Can you hear it? Okay, let me try again.
Are you constantly confused by what Gen Z is saying all the time?
That's
Well, you're in luck. The world of Gen Z. You can be a part of it.
Introducing Gen Z. The Gen Z slang translator takes in normal text and converts it into modern Gen Z dialects, incorporating popular slang used by Gen Z. It will analyze the text, identify phrases and words that can be replaced with their Gen Z counterparts, and generate a new output text that will help you communicate with the rest of the world.
With Gen-ZifAI, the possibilities are endless. By using Gen-ZifAI, parents can better understand their kids. Companies can use Gen-ZifAI to better relate to their Gen Z market.
Picture books and movies don't have badly reading Gen Z characters, and I could. We definitely need to use Gen Z AI. And you can finally understand the strange, trendy words your Gen Z friends are saying. Welcome to the future of intergenerational communication. Don't believe us? Just listen to what Josephina has to say.
OMG, I used to be like the most millennial mom ever. Like, no cap. I never knew that learning Gen Z slang would be like so lit. Like, Gen-ZifAI is literally fire. Anyway, I'm about to pull up to my friend's crib, so see you later.
Gen Z, here to help all generations.
Okay, now that you have understanding of this fascinating product, let me give you a site guide. Starting at the top navigation bar in green, we have our logo, which is also a hyperlink that redirects you to the homepage, wherever you are on the site. Next, we have a translator button, which will show you our AI, where you will probably spend most of your time. The next buttons are a timeline of how we went about this project, a slang dictionary, and resources of everything we used during the project. Now let's scroll down. Our main area has another translator button, so you can quickly get to our AI if you're new to the site. I'll let Archie tell you about that.
So let's dive right into our exciting AI product. Now, let me just show you how user-friendly our interface is. Upon visiting our website and navigating to the translator page, you'll be greeted to a clean and intuitive input box. Simply type or paste in your text into the designated area. Let's do a live demo. This magic happens almost instantly. With a single click, Gen-ZifAI does the work and provides you with a lightning-fast translation that captures the essence of the Gen Z language, while also retaining the meaning of the original text. Its swiftness makes it perfect for real-time conversations and interactions. In a world where communication evolves rapidly, Gen-ZifAI helps enhance communication, navigate online spaces, bridge generational divides, and stay current.
And now here's our timeline, which includes the records of our journey in making our AI and website. First, we have scraping data, where groups started the project by creating a unique dataset made from ChatGPT. This was to find a diverse array of Gen Z slang uses, as well as acquiring these phrases in almost no time. Next, we have filtering data, in which our goal was to revert our Gen Z phrases back into their standard writing style our parents know as English. However, we encountered many hardships while changing phrases, including duplicate sentences, as well as reverting the phrases, as ChatGPT made a few translation errors here and there Pre-processing is next, in which our group finalized our dataset, ready for it to be put into Hugging Face, a machine training program perfect for our AI training. After inputting our dataset into Hugging Face, we were able to tokenize and begin to train our AI. During our final process of training, close to the end of our second week, our group trained our AI until the fruits of our labor showed completely. Finishing our training on time, we were able to spend the third week on working on the website, adding details, different pages, and of course, our AI. However, our AI couldn't have been trained at all without a dataset, including slang from the dictionary, where Gabriela will show you around.
The dictionary page is a way for users to understand slang terms that are used by the AI. It is part of the website that is used for storing the name of the slang and its definition. Although not all slang words are found, with more time, we hope to expand the dictionary into a database that can allow for an up-to-date page, which would include current trends and all slang words. But for now, there are many common slang words used by the AI that are found in this page. It is useful for users who want to understand the true meaning of their AI-generated text, or simply look for a Gen Z word that they want to learn more about. An example of how this page works is if I was looking for a slang word spill, I would simply scroll down until I found the word, and below it, I would read the definition. In this case, spill means to share secrets or gossip.
Now let's dive into the resources that we used for this project. So let's explore what's available. First, we have our model repository, which was just created in Hugging Face, which we can see right here. We also have a link to our Google Colab where users can see the behind the scenes as to how we coded our model. We also have a link to a data set we created, which includes ChatGPT generated normal and Gen Z texts, as well as formatted translations that we uploaded to Hugging Face. Here's a link to the template we used to build our website, which we got off Bootstrap. And finally, here is the code for our website. So if you're interested in seeing the HTML and CSS code that powers our user-friendly interface. And finally, here is our About Us page, where you can learn more about the mystical Manwins and what motivated us to do this project. Language goes beyond words. It's a bridge that links people and cultures. In today's digital world, gaps between generations can impede these connections. We saw this challenge as an opportunity for technology to step in. Our project thrives on uniting generations by understanding each other's languages, a key to a harmonious, inclusive world. With Gen-ZifAI, we make crossing these divides effortless. Let's build bridges and nurture understanding together. Thank you for listening to our presentation, and let us know if you have any questions or feedback.